Welcome back to Farm and Faith. So we're actually going to be leaving the farm tomorrow, and I only have today to prepare for that, and I got to do a bunch of the stuff. So gotta put hay out to the cows because they just ran out. They ran out a couple hours ago, and now they're going crazy, as you can hear. So until my dad can get on the tractor and bring them some, I'm gonna go ahead and give them a little square bale just to hold them over for a little snack. So yeah, lots of stuff, but let's go ahead and get into it because I'm running out of daylight. So first I gotta go run up and grab the four-wheeler, and then we're gonna give him a square bale. Hi, Cal. Hi, buddy. Okay, enough messing around. Now we gotta go do stuff. Oh, girl. Never stick your hand through two bars with the cow. Like maybe your fingers like that. But always be careful. The handyman went to get the tripod and a knife. Now that that's done, it's time to build some dog pens, so we'll see how this goes. It's the boss. Right here was kind of scary because the bull and Milky Way, which are our craziest cows, was sitting right in front of the gate, and I had to open it, but thankfully they didn't get crazy or anything and everything was fine. Bale number 1 is done, and now it's time for bale number 2. This is Leo, and he's afraid of tractors. So we've had like nothing but rain lately. It's been like warm, but just rain constantly. And it's 55 today, I think. So it's gonna drop back down this week into the 30s. Now we got it all done, just gotta put some stuff down, and he's upset because he went in timeout. It's starting to get dark. I'm just running around and grabbing houses and bowls and everything and hay to put in the houses and stuff. And I still have to figure out which dogs are going where. So, stressful times. Got the bottom to the dog igloo right here, and then I got the top up here. And I just gotta put it together, put all the bowls in, and put hay in and everything like that. And then I still have to feed. So, yeah, it's dark now, so this stinks. Everything is just mud, mud, mud. Alright, the kennel is ready, and I think I'm going to put the puppies in this one. They've got their hay, their house, water, and I'm going to put food bowls in here and stuff, and then Reggie's in his, and then I think I'm just going to leave Maggie and Willow loose to protect the house. Okay guys, everything is finally done, but this has been a very stressful day. Switched to cats now. Ow, ow, ow! Can I hold you for 5 minutes? Ow! He does not like being held. I'm glad I got everything done. I've been working all day, so it's been a very eventful day, but we got it all done. Now that's over with, so now we're ready to leave. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this chaotic, stressful video. So it takes a lot of work to get the animals ready for you to be able to leave, but that is just a little glimpse into farm life. Some upcoming videos are going to be first a Q&A, and then I think I'm going to do like a video about all my dogs because that was requested, so I think that'll be a pretty good video. Okay guys, we love you, and we'll see you next time. God bless, and I hope that you have an amazing day.